Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
Let's begin our exercise. Our first question is write Roman numerals for the following Hindu Arabic numeral. Here is a number 68. How to write it in Roman numerals? First of all, here is 68. How we write 60? L means 50, and here is X. When a smaller number appears before a larger number, it will be subtracted. Sorry, 68. X is here. 68 means 50 plus 10. When a letter appears after a larger number, it will be added LX, and here is 8. It is our 68. And here is 99. How we write it in Roman numeral 99? C means 100, and X, it appears before this larger number, it will be subtracted. It means it becomes 90, and I for 1, sorry, and I for 1 and X for 10, it appears before this X, so it will be subtracted and it becomes 99. Other example we can see here, 78. First of all, we write 50. L means 50, X means 10, and other X means 10. It becomes 50 plus 10 plus 10, it will be 70. And after we will write 8. It will be 78. Same other example, 95. First of all, we write C for 100 and X for 90. We all know X appears before this larger number, so it will be subtracted. It becomes 90, and it will be V for 5. It will be our 95. And your next question is write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. Here are some Roman numerals given. We have to write it in Hindu Arabic numerals. L means 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70, and it is 9, 70, it will be 79. Let's see here, L, double X, and here is L means 50, X means 10, and this X means 10. Here I and X, we all know 9. X minus I equal to 9, because X means 10 and I means 1, it will be 9. So here is 9. Add it all, 50, 60, 70 plus 9, it will be 79. And your next question is here, L, triple X, B and triple I. L, triple X, B and triple I. We all know L means 50, X means tens, X means tens, X means tens. We can't repeat this symbol more than 3 times. Here is B for 5, I for 1, I for 1, and I for 1. 50 plus 60 plus 70 plus 80 plus 5, 85, 86, 87, and 88. It will be 88. And your next example here, X, L, I. Let's see here, X, it appears before this larger number, so it will be subtracted. L minus X, 50 minus 10, it will be 40, and I means 1, plus 1 equal to 41. The value of, the Hindu Arabic numerals for X, L, I for is 41. Here are some numerals that are meaningless. There is no meaning for these Roman numerals. For these Roman numerals, there are no meaning. It are meaningless. L means 50, X means 10, X means 10, this X means 10, and this C for 100. These are meaningless Roman numerals. Same X, C, L. It means 90 and it means 50. We can't write it Roman numerals in this way, so it will be wrong. There is no meaning for these Roman numerals. And your next question is, compare and put the correct symbols greater than, smaller than or equal to in the boxes. Here are X, L, V and triple I. And here is L and X. First of all, we have to write the Roman numerals of this. First of all, we have to write Hindu Arabic numerals for these Roman numerals. Here is X, L, B and triple I. The value of X or L is equal to 40 and B. Let's see here. X, L, B, triple I. X is appears before this larger number, so it will be subtracted. So L minus X equal to 40 means 50 minus 10. Here it will be 40. B means 5. I for 1, I for 1 and I for 1. 40 plus 5 for 45, 46, 47 and 48. The Hindu Arabic numerals for these Roman numerals is 48 and other for L means 50 and X means 10. 50 plus 10 it will be 60. Which one is greater than? X is greater than the value of 48. Here is L double X B1. L means 50, X means 10, X means 10 and here is 5. B means 5, I means 1. Let's add it 50, 60, 70, 75 and 76. The value of L double X B1 is 76 and the value of this L and triple I 50, 51, 52 and 53. It is 53. Which one is greater than? We all know 76 is greater than 53. And here is your next question. Write the Roman numerals in ascending order. In ascending order, first of all, we have to write the number which is smaller. Then other digits or numbers. First of all, you have to write the Hindu Arabic numerals for these Roman numerals. The value of these Roman numerals is L means 50, B means 5 and double I. Here is I means 1 and this I means 1. 50 plus 5, 55, 56 and 57. It is 57. Here is triple X means 30 and 130. 1 L50, X10, X10 and B5 and I1. 50, 60, 70, 75 plus 1, 76. XL means 40, B means 5 and I means 1. 45 plus 1 is 46. And value of X and C is 90 and it's 9. It will be 99. First, then we write it in ascending order. In ascending order, first of all, we write the smaller number. This is 31. It is smaller than 46, and 46 is smaller than 57, and 57 is smaller than 76, and 76 is smaller than 99. After it is in Hindu Arabic numerals and we have to write it in Roman numerals. Then we have to write in Roman numerals. The Roman numerals of 31 is triple X and I. is smaller than 46. The value of Roman numerals for 46 is X, L, B, I. It is smaller than 76, L, double X, B, and I. And 99. Here is 99, X, C, I, and X. It is in ascending order. By this process, it will be easier than direct write from in this way. And here is your next question. L means 50, X means 10, X means 10, and X means 10, B means 5. And here is triple I method means 1, 1, 1, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, and 88. The value of this Roman numerals is 88 in Hindu Arabic numerals. And next L, 50, 60, 70, and 73. L means 50, X means 10, 50, 60, 70, 80, and B for 5, it means 75 in Hindu Arabic numerals. X for 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, and X 10 plus 7, 27. Now we have to write in ascending order. First of all, we have to write which is smaller than other number. First of all, 24 is smaller than 27, and 27 is smaller than 73, and 73 is smaller than 75, and 75 is smaller than 88. And the value of 24 in Roman numerals is double X, I, B. And the value of 27 is Roman numerals is double X, B, double I. And the value of 73 is Roman numerals is L, double X. 27 is smaller than 73, and 73 is smaller than 85. 85 in Roman numeral is L, triple X, and B, and 85 is smaller than 88. The nominal of 88 is L, triple X, B, and triple I. This is the process to write in ascending order. And your next question is arrange the following Roman numerals in descending order. Same process यहाँ भी यूज करेंगे. First of all, we write in Hindu Arabic numbers from these Roman numerals. Here is X, X for 10, B for 5, and I for 1, and this I for 1. It becomes 50 plus 10 plus 5, 15, 16, and 17. And here is triple X means triple 10, double I means double 1. Here is 10, 10, 20, plus 10, 30, 31, and 32. And for it, L means 50, X means 10, this X means 10, and this X means 10. Here is I, and here is 9. Let's see here. I is appears before this large number, so it will be subtracted and it becomes 9. So the value of is 9. 50, 60, 70, 80, and plus 9, it becomes 89. And the next 50, L means 50, A means 5, I means 1. It will be 50 plus 5, 55, plus 1, 56. And L means 50, X means 10, this X means 10, B means 5, and I means 1. 50, 60, 70, 75, and 76. In descending order, first of all, we have to write the largest number in this series. Here is the largest number is 89. So first of all, we write to 89. 89 is greater than 76, and 76 is greater than 56, and 56 is greater than 32, and 32 is greater than 70. And now we have to write this Hindu Arabic numerals in Roman numerals. 89 for L, triple X, and 9 is greater than 76, L, double X, and 6, 50, L, B and I, and for 30, triple X. We can't use this symbol more than 3 times, triple X and double I, and lastly 17, we have to write 17, X for 10, and B for 5, and double I for 2, becomes 17. So this is the process to write in ascending order. In ascending order, first of all we have to write the largest number, and in descending order, and in ascending order, first of all we have to write the smallest number. This is all your exercise.
Thanks for watching this video.